All right, kindergartners. So for writing today, we're gonna have a little bit of an easier day because you guys have been working so hard this week doing our on-demand, okay? So first I'm gonna put my name on my paper. And then our date, which is 1/14/22. Okay, so we're still writing true stories, so your story that you write has to be a true story, but it could be any true story you want, anything. You could write about your day learning at home today. You could write about something you did this week. You could write about something we've done at school before, something you've done at home before, maybe a sport that you played, okay, anything you want. Now, the story I'm gonna tell you about is something that happened to me this morning. And it was not a super fun thing that happened to me this morning. Okay, so I was getting up and getting ready to come to school, and I was really, really tired. So I needed a big cup of coffee today because I was very sleepy. And so I made my coffee, and then I was going down to my car to drive to school, and the snow was coming down, so it was a little slippery. So I was walking with my coffee, and all of a sudden I'm walking on the sidewalk, and I slip and I pour the coffee on top of myself. It got all over my jacket. My coffee was all spilled. Oh my goodness, it was a mess. At least I was outside, so it wasn't a mess in my house, but it got all over my jacket and everything. So guess what I had to do after that? I had to walk back up to my house and first I had to make more coffee because I still needed my coffee for the day. Then I had to get a towel and wipe off my jacket, get all the coffee off there. I had to change my outfit. I had to do so much stuff, like get ready all over again because I spilled coffee all over myself. So that is my true story that I'm gonna write about today. So the first thing that happened in my story, what was the first thing I told you? I was waking up and I was super duper sleepy. That's why I needed so much coffee today. So I'm gonna start with today. T-oo-da-a-ya. Ooh, I know that's a T. Ooh. Ooh, da, da, da. Da. A-ya. Ooh, da, a-ya. Okay, I think I got a letter for every sound. Today, now, remember, gotta use my finger, put a finger space. Today, you guys know how to spell I. Today, I'm gonna say, was super sleepy. Another finger space. Z. Z. Oh, I messed up on that a little bit. Okay, that's okay. You guys have a pencil, so you guys could erase, but I'm using a marker so you can see it better. So I gotta just kind of scribble it up. All right, today I was super. Gonna use my finger space again. Today I was super sleepy. I don't have any more room here. Well, not enough room to write a whole word, so I'm gonna go down to my next line. Now, I was so sleepy that I think I need to use an exclamation point here. Remember, we say that when we're like, "Ah!" You're saying something really like, rather than saying, I was super sleepy. I'm saying, today I was super sleepy, okay? Today I was super sleepy. Now, what would I write after that? I would talk about how I had to make coffee, and then I would talk about how I slipped in the snow and spilled my coffee all over myself. And then I'd have to talk about how I went and had to make new coffee. Okay, so I'm gonna stop there so you guys have time to do your own writing. But when you're writing today, remember, sound out your words on your arm, write a letter for each sound you hear. Make sure we use those finger spaces. We've been working on those a lot so that we can see each word and where they start and where they stop. And these finger spaces tell us, oh, this is a new word, this is a new word, this is a new word. It helps us be able to read our writing better. Okay, so same thing as last time when you guys were learning at home. I have your alphabet chart in the slideshow so you can see the alphabet chart and use that to help you think of the letters. I also have your word wall words so that you can look at those and see all your snap words in case you can't quite remember how to spell them, so you can use both of those as a tool. All right, I sent you guys home with 2 pieces of paper today, so I want you to try to fill out both of those pieces of paper, okay, with one story. All right, make one story and do 2 parts. So tell me what happened first and then what happened after that. First, I was super sleepy and I made coffee. Then I spilled my coffee and had to clean it up. Okay, so you try to tell me what happened first and what happened next, all right? I can't wait to read your stories on Tuesday. Have fun writing.